Baby Bible rhyme time. Let's go!
Put on your spy glasses.
Click, click.
Look to the left.
Sneak, sneak.
Look to the right.
Sneak, sneak.
Mission 2nd Kings is a go. Welcome to the top secret 2nd Kings agency. Today, we are tracking God's most amazing miracles. We have chariots of fire, endless oil, and a secret river code. Are you ready for the mission?
3, 2, 1, action! Go, agents, go!
Tiptoe to the beat.
Top secret, 2nd Kings.
Grab your spyglass, see what it brings.
I see it! God's miracles are the ultimate clue.
A top secret mission for me and you. Agent, let's go!
Yeah!
Click! Mission number 1, meet Prophet Elijah. His mission was to show God's power and ride a fiery chariot all the way up to heaven. Over. Agent Elijah is looking at the sky, waiting for a glowing wagon to fly. With bright red fire and a yellow light, God took him up to the King of Kings tonight. Point your finger to the bright night sky. Point up, mission accomplished, watching him fly. Agent fact, Elijah didn't die. God loved his brave helper so much that he brought him straight to heaven. It shows us how powerful God truly is. Click mission number 2, meet Prophet Elisha. His mission was to help a family in need and show that God provides endless oil. Over. A mommy needed food, she was in a bind. Oh no, Agent Elisha said, let's see what we find. She poured the secret oil, it was magic and sweet. Let's count the jars for her family to eat. 1, 2, 3, 4. God gives us the best supplies. Agent fact, the oil never ran out until every jar was full. This teaches us that God always takes care of us and provides when we ask for help. Freeze, agents, do a sneaky pose.
Pose!
Now, tiptoe.
Tiptoe.
Mission number 3, meet Commander Naaman. His mission was to trust God's code and wash in the river 7 times to heal his sick skin. Over. Commander Naaman was sick on his skin. God said, find the blue river and jump right in. Splash! We have to crack the code. The number is 7 to wash the sickness away, sent from heaven. Ready? Duck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Splash! Target is perfectly clean. Agent fact, Naaman had to obey God's exact instructions, even when it sounded silly to him. It teaches us that listening to God is always the right choice. Mission number 4, meet King Josiah. He became the king of the whole country at just 8 years old. His mission was to clean God's house and read his secret book. King Josiah was a ruler at only 8. He cleaned up the temple and made it look great. He learned the ABCs of doing what's right and promised to follow the rules day and night. Sweep up the clues. Agent fact, Josiah proved you don't have to be a grown-up to be a hero for God. Reading the Bible helps us make the best choices, no matter how little we are. Calling all agents, final briefing. Point to the sky, up, count the jars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Splash the water, splash. Sweep the floor, sweep. 1, 2, 3, jump.
Top secret, 2nd Kings.
Grab your spyglass, see what it brings.
I see it! God's miracles are the ultimate clue.
A top secret mission for me and you. Agent, let's go!
Yeah! 2nd Kings, jump!
2nd Kings,
Clap!
God accomplished.
Yay!